I got to do a little bit of repairs. I've got this ancient post that my ancestors have set in here. Right here, our post is just slipping right out off of the concrete base. You know, I don't know how old this concrete base is, but I got to get her back on there. I believe what's also not helping is this strap to this corner post of our illustrious bunk feeder. So my plan is to back our tractor in here and just put a chain against the post and use a come along to put some pressure on it, and perhaps a bottle jack to help support the post. So let's get to it. You have to be paid for the job, right? That you're gonna help with, so get an ice cream. So I gotta get this to turn, so I'm gonna put it so there's a bite pulling directly like this to kind of rough it, move it over. Over.
All right, now.
Teamwork, right?
One guy would take for a long time to do that.
It's a 1/2-inch wedge anchor. It's gonna go in that hole, and we're gonna hammer it down. Okay? Hammer it all the way down. Is that heavy?
Good job. I think it's home. Yeah,
Boy, it
good
is,
job.
yeah. You're gonna use a crescent wrench to tighten like this.
There you go. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Yep. You're just gonna grab the nut. You're gonna go turn, turn.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Well, here we are a little while later on this repair job on this old 100-year-old post that's been sitting here. The cows have been rubbing on. So our wedge anchor is holding up. Everything's looking good. And now we can catch some calves and bring everybody into the barn without them destroying it, because they got nothing but time to rub and push and wear everything out. As I think about closing out 2025, hopefully building some more infrastructure this next year of 2026 or 2027, add hopefully a manure shed and a high use area so I can keep our cattle logistically penned up through the fall, winter, and spring. I'd like to change the dynamics of how the cattle graze these lands to optimize my return on my investment. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Catch you later. All right, we gotta put the spike back on so we can feed. Good.